Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool oven right here, and basically what this is a charging station or a power strip. And we see for the one that we got right here from a brand called Anker. And for this charging station or for this power strip, they basically have a brand new technology, which is the GaNPrime technology. And we see right here they do mention how it is the 7 series. And right here we see they do probably got some specs about the product. So for this product, you can see they do call the Anker 727 charging station, and it has a GaNPrime technology with 100 watts max. And the bottom right here, they do mention how it has a Power IQ 3.0 technology, and it does have 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A option, and 2 AC option. And you see right here in the back, they do mention how it does have the Active Shield 2.0 technology, and having that technology is actually really cool. So that way, if you guys do leave it charging overnight, it definitely has that protection built in. And because the product has the GaNPrime technology, it allows the product to be pretty small, way smaller than your typical charging station or like power strip, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So what I'm gonna do is peel the back part right here. Same thing for this part. But if you guys do open up, here is basically what the product looks like inside, but right underneath the product there is some more stuff, so let's take it out first. So once you guys take it out, if you see inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. In the inside right here, they do provide guys a cable for you to plug it in, and when you guys do feel the cable that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality cable. And it's actually really cool how they do give you guys an option to detach it if you guys want to. So that actually makes the product even more compact when you guys do store it or bring it along when you guys are traveling. And then for this side right here, we do have the plug. I also love the fact that how they do provide a strap for you guys to organize it if you guys do need to. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm going to show you guys the actual product. So in the front part here, we see we do have the brand logo. Right here on top, we see we do have 2 AC options. If you guys flip around to the side right here, we do have 2 USB-C options and 2 USB options. And for all these other right here, they do have the quick charging option. And then right here, we do have the power delivery option. And if you guys look really carefully on here, they mention how right here they do have the Power IQ technology. But for this one right here, we do have the Power IQ 3.0 technology. And having that option inside the product is actually pretty cool. So that way when you guys are charging like your laptop or your phone or any other device at the same time, it's best not to charge evenly to your phone, to charge those first before you guys charge a laptop, which is pretty cool. And then for this one right here, you see we do have a logo for a laptop option. So if you guys want to get the fastest speed on here, like the 100 watts, you probably want to plug in the USB-C cable right here. And if you guys turn to the other side right here, this is basically where you can plug in the cable to actually activate it. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And you see at the bottom how they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on a flat surface, it won't move around. You can see in the back part right here, they also probably got the specs and feature that's on here in terms of input and output. And we see right here how they do mention it does have the GaNPrime technology. And then right here we do have the button for you to turn on the light or something. If you see the size of the product is actually very slim. It's definitely way slimmer than a lot of other power strip or charging station, if you can see. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling or something. And as you can see for the one that we got right here is a black and gray color. They also have this available in a golden color as well. So if you guys prefer that, you can get that one instead. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's plug in the cable to show you guys how it works. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the cable right here. And you want to stick one side to the wall outlet. Once you guys do that, you have to plug the other side right here. So once you guys plug it in, you can see right here in the middle, it does light up. And if you guys do press on the button on the side dimension, that basically turns off the light. But if you guys press on again, it turns it on. So now let's plug in some stuff in here to test it out to see what actually works. So the first thing I want to plug in is my power bank right here that also works as a wall charger from the Anker brand. They call it the Anker Power Core Fusion 10,000. So if you guys are trying to look for a power bank that works as a wall charger, I highly recommend this one right here. But if you guys do plug it in, you can see how when you guys do plug it in, this part basically sticks out or pops out, which is pretty interesting. And you can see on the other side right here, it does show you guys that it's charging. Now let's try the other output. So right here, I do have another power bank that also works as a wall charger. And this is one of the newer products. For this one, they call the Anker 733. And for this one, it's actually really powerful. They basically give you guys 2 USB-C options and 1 USB. And right here, we do have the power button for you to activate it. Right here in the back, you can see we do have the wall switch option for you guys to actually plug it into the wall. And it's like a foldable design. So that way you guys save a lot of space, just like the other one, which is right here. But the cool thing about this one is the fact that it does have 65 watts, which for this one is much lower. I think this is around like 20 watts or somewhere around that range. So it's not as powerful as this one. So if you guys are interested in this one, feel free to check it out. I actually really like this a lot. But let's plug this on as well. So if you guys plug it in, and we see how that sticks out as well. Same thing like the other one. And right here it does show you guys that it's charging. And you can see when you guys do plug both of them side by side, it is kind of cramped. So if you guys do have a plug where you guys need to plug it in where it's much more thicker than what you guys see right here, it may not fit both of them at the same time. So that is something to kind of consider when you guys do use it. But now let's try some of the bottom part right here. So obviously for this product, since this supports up to 100 watts, you can definitely use it to recharge like a MacBook Pro 16-inch if you guys want to. They mentioned the time that will take you guys to fully charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch from 0 to 100 is 101 minutes. And if you guys want to charge it 50%, it'll take roughly around like 43 minutes. So basically the lower the percentage is for your device, whether it be for your laptop, your iPad, your tablet, your smartphone, or anything else, it all applies the same way. So for this test, we'll just plug it into other stuff just to show you guys when it actually works. So the first one I'll be using is the Anker cable right here, which is USB-C to Lightning. So we have to plug it in. And the other side we'll plug it onto a phone. So right here. And you see that works. And if you guys want to plug in the other one as well, feel free to do it. You definitely do have the option of plugging all of them at the same time while using the AC option at the same time if you guys want to as well. But obviously if you guys fill up all the different outputs on here, it won't charge as fast for one device at a time. But most of the power will go to like the smaller device like your iPhone and etc. to charge those first, and they'll focus onto like iPad, your tablet, or even for your laptop afterward. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it on. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality power strip that basically also works as a charging station as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.